All right, we are just upstream from the bridge that we were fishing. We can see the river over here on our right. And we're gonna fish a little still water spot. But it's real close to the current. And sometimes the bass will sit in here. It's deep. I haven't gotten in and waded around here, but when we were tubing, my kids were further out and they said they couldn't touch the bottom anymore. Oh, shit. Oh. Oh, that was hard. Oh, oh, dude. Okay. I'm like, okay. Take stock. All right. Oh, my shoe is up in the water. How am I gonna get that? Oh, okay. Gotta go after my shoe. Start there. You can believe me. Okay. No blood. Good. I'm gonna feel it tomorrow. Okay. How'd my camera do? Are you still on? Is this thing on? Is it actually recording? Well, I might as well tell you guys what just went down. Me. There's some poison ivy. I'm not sure how close I came to it. Here's where I slid. Right down the bank. And almost into the water. My shoe flew off, went in the water. Oh man, I'm gonna do it again if I'm not careful. It is slicker than snot. All right, let's fish.